Adrian with B2Designs, and today we're going to be reviewing the B2Designs manual ball shift knob. The B2Designs manual ball shift knob is offered in a wide variety of colors. Let's start with our aluminum ball shift knob. They're offered in lime green, copper, white, candy red, candy gold, candy blue, and a brushed aluminum. Second, we have our B2Designs weighted shift knob. Constructed out of steel, it's also offered in chrome, purple, gold, rose red, candy blue, white, lime green, and black. When purchasing the B2Designs manual ball shift knob, inside the packet you will have 3 inserts that go inside the shift knob right here. You get an 8, 10, and 12 millimeter insert depending on your car application. You can also watch our video on YouTube, the how-to instructional video on the installation of the ball shift knob.